Hey guys, it's Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on with our clickbait case study here, making money online. As you can see, did not get a sale last night. It's very fine, it's very okay. Alright, so what we're going to do today is that we're going to go on to the marketplace and we are going to focus on products that have been working so far. So social paid, maybe write-ups, reviews, social rep. This might work too. We'll continue on with social rep for right now. I just want to see if I can get a sale using it. I'm kind of interested. This is more of a case of like, guys, I'm not doing this to make a ton of money. It's more of a test to see if this works. You know what I mean? See if certain things work, see if certain things don't work. I know how to make the most money using my lead gen. But I'm trying to test stuff out. Okay. So it's not gonna be like the most, I'm not sure what's gonna happen. You know what I mean? I'm not entirely sure. This is case study, so I'm just trying stuff out. So we're gonna try live chat jobs here. I got a lot of clicks, but I didn't get a sale yesterday with live chat jobs, so I wanna try it again. I think it's possible. So we're gonna go with the email tool here. Let me see what it say here. I found this for you. That job available. I'm gonna put like $800 a day or something like that in it. I found. Okay, so we're gonna get that. Boom. We're gonna go to emailing. All right, so let's change this up a little bit. Go ahead and pick like first name fits here. Paste. I found this for you. I make sure to pick brackets and a $sign. Very interesting. So we're gonna pick like 9. We're gonna pick 975. Pretty believable in general. Very believable number. That's very possible. Alright, so it's very possible, and it's like above what people need to, normal people need to live off of, unless you live in like New York or LA or San Francisco. You living in, or maybe Hawaii, a lot of them, those places there, you probably need a little bit more than $9.75 a week. But for most places, like normal places, like anywhere in Georgia, anywhere in places in Texas, for the most part, Louisiana, any low costing state, maybe you don't really need more than $9.75 a week. That's almost $4,000 a month. That's pretty good. All right, so we're gonna sit here, I'll put it like that, and we're gonna copy the email here. The best social paid rep. Social sale rep. That's it. Boom. Alright, so get the link here. Boom. Make sure to track it with MLGS1 so I know what account getting the sales. Got that in there like that. Looks real nice. It's solid, you know what I mean? Make sure the link works. The link works. You see how it looks? It looks very nice. So it's a very good looking site there. So you'll get some sales. Let's continue on from there. All right. Oh, let's change some of these. We gotta change this. You got an offer around your area. You got an offer for people in your area. Just change that up. All right, so, and then we're gonna get the first name fits. Make sure that. Okay, copy, and boom. Perfect fit for you. Okay, and we very well. You pick something else. You could. Okay, so we just edited it just a little bit, the email a little bit, kind of fit a little bit more and make it a little more clear. All right, so let's just send that there. Boom, done. All right, guys, make sure you hit perfect timing as well. Perfect timing, make it so you can when they check the email, it promptly sends it around the time they check email. So for example, you check your emails around 9 p.m. The email will come in around 9 p.m. Right, so it end up on the top of the list. All right, so after that, if you have other accounts, get on that and log out. Make another tab. Log out. Go to the next account here. All you have to really do, copy and paste. So copy. Paste. Same here, copy. And paste. Just that simple. Make sure to change this. Make sure you have that right there. So I know this is the second account. And we send an email, just that simple, right? And then you just do the same thing for your next account as well. Wait for it to send the email here. All right, it's sent. So just log out of this account. We go to our third account here. I did the affiliate. Yeah. So we do the same thing. There we go. Pretty good. Pretty solid. Oh, make sure to change this. Oh, we gotta remember to do that. So if we don't, we'll end up in trouble, and knowing which account is doing these, they're getting these sales for. All right, so anyway, send an email. And boom, there you go. All right, that's good. All right, so we have sent the emails here. And that's pretty much it for for as that's it really. And we'll see if we get a sale using this product. I believe we will. We only got 3 more emails for it, so we're gonna just go ahead and run through them 3 emails for the next few days, see what happens. Anyway, that's about it. Oh, I want to show you guys one more thing here that I realized works really well. Now you go to Legendary Marketer here. As you can see, I now have 4 emails here, 4 leads here. 4 leads. I can't tell you how much money I made, but I have 4 leads. I've only sent 1 email, guys. Well, 3 technically, because each account. But I got in 3 people from my first account and somebody from my 3rd account to get in here and purchase something. And they are how Legendary Marketer works. There's a ton of products to purchase, so I can eventually, like, it's kind of set up to kind of slowly build up your business. So any purchase they make, like say they need to use a funnel or anything like that, anything like a mailing service or all that type of stuff, anything like that, right, in general, get a sale from it. And that's a affiliate market for you. So, and you can get up to, like, they'll make $1,000 on a sale in Legendary Marketer. So I highly suggest using it and getting started with Legendary Marketer. I think this is the best product I found. For income, to really build some income with. There's a ton of different products, ton of different things. And also, I'm just using basic right now, but I'm thinking about going pro, which is $30 per month, but I make a ton more money when I get sales. I'm thinking about using it. But anyway, I got 4 leads and I only sent 1 email, which is kind of crazy. And that's probably what I'd be doing right now, just constantly sending leads to Legendary Marketer instead of Clickbank, if it was up to me right now. But because the amount of sales you can get is just crazy. It's just crazy. You're not just selling one thing, you're selling a lot of stuff. So yeah, I just want to show you how effective this has been using Legendary Marketer. I only sent 1 email and I've gotten 4 people into the system. And as you can see, I got them tagged down as well. You can see, exactly where they came from. And there with funnel I used to get them in and everything. That's all I want to say about that. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.